If roots can't breathe, crops can't perform. Let that sink in for a moment. You can plant the best seed. You can apply the right fertilizer. You can even get perfect rainfall. But if your soil is compacted, your crops will still struggle. Today, we are talking about soil structure, compaction, and root growth, one of the most ignored profit killers on farms. What soil structure really means? Most people think soil is just soil. But soil is not solid. Healthy soil is a network of spaces. Spaces for roots to grow, water to move, air to circulate, microorganisms to live. Good soil structure is like a sponge. Bad soil structure is like concrete. When soil loses its structure, roots suffer first. What is soil compaction? Soil compaction happens when soil particles are pressed too tightly together. This reduces pore space. And when pore space disappears, roots can't penetrate. Water can't infiltrate. Oxygen can't flow. Compacted soil is not always visible from the surface. Your crops may look fine early on, until stress hits. Then everything collapses. What causes soil compaction? The biggest causes of soil compaction are human activities. Number 1, heavy machinery. Repeated tractor passes, harvesters, and trucks compress the soil, especially when the soil is wet. Number 2, over-tillage. Too much plowing destroys soil aggregates. Instead of improving soil, it breaks it apart. Number 3, poor traffic management. Driving everywhere on the field compacts the entire root zone. Over time, the soil becomes dense, hard, and resistant to life. How compaction affects roots. Roots are not drills. They follow paths of least resistance. In compacted soil, roots become short. Roots grow sideways instead of downward. Roots stay close to the surface. Shallow roots mean poor nutrient access, weak anchorage, high drought stress. When dry spells come, crops fail faster, not because of lack of rain, but because roots never went deep. Oxygen, the invisible problem. Roots need oxygen, just like humans. Compacted soil suffocates roots. Without oxygen, root respiration slows, nutrient uptake drops. Beneficial microbes D. The crop may still be green, but productivity is already compromised. This is a silent yield loss. Healthy soil structure changes everything. Healthy soil has space. When soil structure is intact, roots grow deeper. Water infiltrates instead of running off. Crops withstand dry periods better. Nutrients are used more efficiently. This is why 2 farms with the same rainfall can have very different yields. One has living soil, the other has compacted ground. Why this matters? For profit. Compaction increases costs. You apply more fertilizer because roots can't access nutrients. You irrigate more because water doesn't penetrate. You replant because crops fail early. But fixing soil structure reduces inputs and stabilizes yields. Good soil works for you, even when conditions are tough. Action step, root depth check. Here's your simple action step. After harvest, dig into your field. Look at root depth, root direction, root thickness. If most roots stop at the same shallow depth, you likely have a compacted layer. Roots tell the truth about your soil. Remember this. If roots can't breathe, crops can't perform. So before buying more inputs, fix what's beneath your feet. In the next module, we'll look at practical ways to reduce compaction and rebuild soil structure. If this lesson helped you, subscribe and share it with another farmer. Your soil and your yields depend on it.